Hi, my name is Amy and I have a problem with birds. Not the kind of birds that you have as pets, but birds on things. Like these owl earrings, owl necklaces, owl bracelet, owl ring. It happened a couple years ago when birds were on things like purses and shirts and jewelry. It did something to me, I think. I have birds on my wall. Birds. More birds on jewelry. There's a bird on my purse. Do feathers count? Yeah, they probably do. Is it just me? Phone case. Necklace with a bird on it. I'm wearing a shirt with a bird on it. So that's my secret.